Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. Well, it's in. The CPI is in. It's in the history books. Looks like lower inflation, potential Fed rate cut coming in. And we're going to start off our analysis with dollar yen. Right now, we have a short-term resistance point as it stands right now at like 148.70. Main resistance for dollar yen is sitting up at 149.75. We want to reach the high of 149.19. If we can't get above this 148.70 and close above it, most likely dollar yen is going to be drifting down to around, I'd have to say like 147.50-ish, 147.50. Right over here, close enough, 147.57. The real movement is going to be in sterling yen. Right now, sterling yen came off from the high. And we're going to get into that one right now. Let's move over to good old sterling yen. Actually, no, we'll go over to sterling dollar. So hang on a second. Let's go over to sterling dollar because that's a more important one to look at. Sterling dollar. We've had that massive resistance at 130 that's been holding right now. So let's put it up right there. 130, the figure has been holding right now. Right now, cable's kind of cooling off. We still have the support at 128.02. Right now, for you cable traders, I don't really like the idea that we came off and we kind of slowed down the rally. I think that, let's see, it's got to get above 129.70 right now, as it stands. At 10:07 in the morning, 129. That's good enough. 129.69. Let's make this a 1-pointer, not a 3 or 2-pointer. Make it a 1-pointer. What the heck? 1-point line 9. 129.70 to try to get to this 130. If we could break above this 130, it's got massive resistance all the way up. But probably could see a run to like 130, 130.46 up here, where I think there would be more consolidation occurring. 130, fine. 53, fine. Right now, as it stands, cable itself, 129.87. A break of 129.20. A break of 129.20 as it stands right now. Let's give it some skid. 129.18. A break of 129.18. Let's change this to an hourly so we can get more data in here. Break of 129.18 is sending us back down to this low bar's close at like 128.75. So the 2 points we got to watch right now, as it stands at 10:08 on March 12th, 2025, is that 129, say, 70 level. If we can get back above that, we're going to be threatening the 130, which is very, very close. It's only 30 pips away. It's nothing major. If we can break through that, it's like the 130, say, 50 level. But really, the action's in the crosses, and it's all going to be depending, of course, on dollar yen. So we're looking at sterling yen right now. We made the high at 193.11. There was resistance or an old point at 193.36. So we didn't reach that, and that's basically showing that the marketplace is still a little weak. Now, as far as my weekly analysis is concerned, man, have I been off on that. But I'm not out of the really destroyed yet. I mean, because I had the point that dollar yen had a break was at 151, and we didn't really come close to that yet, but I'm not saying we're not going to. But right now, as it stands, sterling yen is kind of a little bit offered. It needs to get over 192, say 60 right now to show some strength to potentially try to get back to this top and maybe hit the resistance. Right now, we're drifting lower. I think sterling yen is going back down into the range down in here. Eventually, I mean, on the day, we could see possibly like 191. I would go 191, 191.70. So the break of 192.60 is leading us down to 191.70. Now, if that goes, we're going way back down into the lower part of the range at 191.30. So let's get on over to good old Euro yen. Why are my charts all messed up, man? Euro yen. All right. Euro yen, we had a spike up to 162.36. That's in the history books. Really, let's see. Oh. All right. Support right now is at 161, 161.60, 161.60 right there. If this level can't hold and we break, we're going back down towards, let's see, euro yen. Oh, wow. 160.65, 160.65, 160. All right, close enough. 160.70. But this level has to hold. There is resistance at a main resistance, a little bit longer term, at 160, 162, 162.70. 162.70. It's pretty far away. 162.75. That's good enough. All right, so that's what I got for you guys. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. Follow me on X if you can. And remember, always head on over to Park Avenue Trading. Get yourself a free ebook. And as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.